Steph, how are you getting your YouTube videos to rank on the first page of Google? I get asked this question all the time, and I want to answer it for you today in this YouTube video. My name is Steph Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online. The Parisi Pack. As you can see popping up here, I get messages all the time from people being like, hey, I found your video because I was doing a Google search. And as you can see by this stat, almost 70% of people are finding my videos because of Google search. And so this is something that I want to talk about. And we're going to look at SEO, strategic engine optimization, and how you can use that to get your videos showing up on the first page of Google search. Because I don't know about you, but I pop onto Google almost every single day to Google something. Let me know the last time you Googled something in the comments, because it's just what we do. We look things up. And so I want to help you be found. When it comes to using the YouTube platform, I have other videos that speak into this, how to be great on camera, how to get started with a YouTube video, and then also how to make a great YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So first things first, let's really simplify this. When you're trying to get your YouTube video on that first page of Google, the big thing is what are people Googling, right? Like what are the words, we call them keywords, that people are looking up when it comes to finding the answer for the problem that they have. In fact, just popping onto Google search or YouTube search, it's a great way to start seeing what types of words people are looking up. Let me show you an example. Okay, so here we are on Google. So what a good thing to do is if you just start typing in something, you can start to see when I type in Facebook, all these different words are popping up. So different keywords. Okay. So if I say want to find out things about a Facebook group, okay, now you're going to see guides, rules, guides, features, cover photo size, groups list, group banner. Okay. So it's giving you clues of what people are searching for. Okay. We call these keywords. If I wanted to say, talk about setting up guides in my Facebook group, now it's going to give you even more keywords here. Facebook group guides feature, Facebook groups guides missing, Facebook group guidelines, okay, how to use Facebook group guides. So say we just want to search this, hit that button, and then you can see here, again, this is how a lot of my people find this video of mine, my video on how to add guides to a Facebook group pops up. So that's what I'm talking about with keywords, and you want to go do some research on the keywords of a video that you want to make, okay? So it's really simple, just pop over to Google. You can also use a feature called tubebuddy within YouTube that's going to give you some feedback on how good your keyword is. Let me show you. Okay, so here we are on YouTube, and I'm just going to click this. I have it set up as a Chrome extension, but if you want to get TubeBuddy, you can find out my affiliate link in the description of this video. It's really helpful, but I can go to what's called Keyword Explorer, and then here I can start typing in different words that are going to give me feedback on how good of a keyword it is. So for example, if I type in Facebook group guides, it's going to probably be, it shows very good. It could be better. I'm looking to get all of these little markers in the green. Okay, so it's showing me how could I make this a better keyword. So I could how to use Facebook group guides. So that could be another option. Okay, that one ranked even higher in terms of being a better search option. So that's another search option. The key takeaway is using keywords is really a big deal. Next up, number 2 is you want to make engaging videos. And this again is part of the algorithm, because when people engage with your video, so for example, if you're getting some value out of this already, hit that like button on this video. Hitting a like button or adding a comment can really help your video do better in the algorithm. Because even if you're using keywords really, really well, and you have them all lined up and you're doing some of the other things I'm about to mention, if you don't get much engagement, your video may not do as well. The cool thing is if you already have an active channel, you can see what your engagement statistics are like. So for example, here I am in my back office looking at one of my videos that does pretty well with engagement. And it's my stories for beginners talking about Facebook and YouTube stories. And so you can see here, since published, likes versus dislikes, and you can kind of see over time the engagement has gone up. Okay, so more and more people looking at it. I clicked on here, you can see average view duration of how long people are watching the video. And so this can help give me some feedback to see, okay, who's still watching at what point in the video. Okay, this was a pretty long video. It was about 26 minutes long. And so by looking at this, I can just get a feel for things. Okay, and I can also click about to just kind of see different things on this video and why it is performing well. Okay, so that can help you if you already have an active channel. Okay, the third thing that you want to do to optimize your YouTube video for search is the file name. So here's a great example of the file name. So here's a video, start your YouTube channel. And you can see here, this file name, start a YouTube channel in 2023, is exactly the same as my title. Okay, so I'm optimizing it for search. So bottom line, keep a keyword in your file name. Next, the title of your video is absolutely essential for using keywords and what you're going to be talking about. So again, here, when I'm adding in my title, you can see I'm using keywords like start YouTube channel 2023, okay, to make it relevant for people. The next thing that you want to do to optimize your video so it ranks on that first page of Google is using keywords in your video description. So you can see in this video, I made this video and published it a couple weeks ago, and it's already doing really well on YouTube and gaining continual views. And it's about Amari Global, the compensation plan. That's one of my income streams. But you can see here, I am loading the description with keywords: Amari Global compensation plan, updated Amari comp plan, Amari Global, okay, hashtag Amari Global. Okay, so I want this video to be found, and I'm loading my description with the keywords. What's next to optimize your video so it lands on that first page of Google is to use YouTube chapters, because you can add keywords and again, have it be ranked for SEO in those chapters. Okay, so here you can see in this YouTube video, 2K to 20K months, I have chapters added. And so I'm talking about the main things that help me grow. So I'm talking about getting my traffic flow better, having a better DMO. What is a DMO? Leveraging my time, focusing on one offer. Okay. So the key things that helped me, so keywords that I want people to maybe be finding this video for, are listed in the YouTube chapters. Okay, so here you can see a video where I'm talking about forget prospecting, do this instead. And my main keyword with this video is attraction marketing. Absolutely love it. If you haven't watched this video, check it out. It's how I have an inbox full of people every day waking up for what I'm talking about. But I'm breaking down in my chapters, you can see the first thing I'm saying is what is attraction marketing, and then educating people, inspiring people, entertaining people, and that sort of thing. Okay, so YouTube chapters is another great place to put your keywords. Next, for SEO optimization, so you rank on that first page of Google, is using tags. Now, there's some debate as to whether tags really make that much of a difference or not, but they only take a few seconds to add, so I would say put them in anyways. So here's an example of adding tags and how powerful they can be. Okay, so I'm in my back office here again in YouTube Studio, and the video is the dancing avatar, how to add that to your stories. Okay, super fun. A lot of people looking up to see how to do it. This tutorial again is doing well. People are finding it through Google search. So you can see here, I have different tags added, and you can see because I'm using TubeBuddy, it's showing me, oh, hey, it's ranked #1 in search for this, okay? Meaning again, it's pulling up on that first page of YouTube, and then it can pull up on the first page of Google as well. And so you can see I have tags: dancing avatar, moving avatar, Facebook stories, dancing avatar, Instagram stories. And you can see these are all the different tags I have down. You can add up to 500 characters of tags. And then don't forget about using your playlist as a place for SEO and keywords as well. Okay, so let's look at some of my playlists. So here you can see stories for Facebook and Instagram. Again, that's one of the main things that people find me for. And so I want that to be an SEO word on my playlist. Okay. Another one would be simplifying tech and automations. Okay. So whatever your main content pillars are for your business that you're talking about regularly, which if you don't have them, I talk about it all the time on how to make a good content plan inside my marketing membership called The Pack. Check it out here in this video that's popping up for you. You really want your playlists to be the SEO topics that people are looking up. And then another place that you can optimize for SEO with keywords is actually on your main channel itself. You can add keywords to your channel, and I have video tutorials on this again on how to do that inside the Pack membership. Use these strategies to rank on the first page of Google. And for my help to do it, go to stephanieparisi.com, and there you can click on a couple things. I have Create Stories That Sell. That is my free private Facebook group where I'm helping small business owners every single day learn how to use social media smarter and how to win on YouTube. And then also, if you go to stephanieparisi.com and click on the Pack membership and you want to work with me more, we can book a strategy call, talk about your business. And again, inside the Pack, I'm really working with people on how to use YouTube and have leads finding them every single day on the platform. Before you pop off my channel, check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business.